A comprehensive guide about shelf companies. A shelf company is a legal business entity that is duly created and fully operational, but has remained dormant since its inception. Also known as a ready-made company or an aged corporation, a shelf company is intentionally put to shelf and left to age, until such a time it is acquired by a specific buyer to be used for its intended purpose. Like other local companies incorporated in Singapore, a shelf company must satisfy all the registration requirements in order to carry on with its business transactions. Here are some advantages of shelf company. When a buyer does not want to go through the regular registration process for a new company. When a buyer wants to start business operations right away. When a buyer with foreign business partners wants to merge their existing company history with the Singapore Shelf Company. When a buyer wants to make certain modifications, for example company name and business activity. To acquire a mature company with zero liability. To increase the chance of getting loan approval from a local bank. To attract prospective investors and clients with preference for older established businesses over startups and pioneers. To use the shelf company to file for offshore status. The following are its disadvantages. It comes with a very high premium because of its mature status. Investors cannot or are unable to take advantage of the government's tax benefits that are granted to newly incorporated companies. Investors lose the privilege of choosing the company structure type at the onset of its registration. The registration process for a shelf company in Singapore can be done through the following steps. Choose the appropriate company structure type. Go through all the details of the agreement with the seller. Sign the contract of purchase. Proceed with the transfer of ownership. Update company's articles of association that is in accordance with the Companies Act. Submit all legal documents to the governing body. If you want to establish and register your new business without going through the tedious filing process, contact Corporate Services Singapore for a cost-effective, time-efficient, and hassle-free solution to company formation.